Hello, everybody. My name is Bart Skyler. Thank you for checking out this video today. Real briefly, I want to just tell you a little bit about myself. I'm a parent of 4 kids. I was homeless, broke, um, everything you can think of. I'm a recovered drug addict. I'm recovered for many years, 10 years, so to say. So, be 10 years next month. Be 10 years I'll be clean. Um, I got involved with lead lighting, power lead system, PLS, whatever whatever abbreviation you want to give it. About 3 years ago, um, it's changed my life a whole lot. For people who are looking to get started in a business, if you can't afford, the power lead system, which is $54, and I'll explain all this stuff to you, what this is. Um, for people who can't afford the $54, like I'm saying, Lead Lightning is a $7 one-time thing. A $7. You paid $7. That's it. You have the Lead Lightning system. Real briefly, I'll tell you how to get started. If you're interested in getting started with Lead Lightning, you get started with you do the 3 steps here. Join our Facebook group. Choose which link you want to advertise. So for folks who, let's say, like you have a free business here, you can promote that here too, and they'll show you how to do a lot of stuff. And promote Lead Lightning, you could do that too. Lead Lightning, you could get $6 commissions, endless. So for each person, you get, let's say, number 1 person $6, number 2 person $6. It doesn't matter how many people you recruit, you earn $6 on each one. So, well, let's say, like, for instance, you recruit 10 people, $60 right there. You could pay for the gold, membership for Power Lead System. Once you get a Power Lead System, if you decide that's where you want to go, you're going to fall in love with Power Lead System. Trust me on that. Like I said, I've been with Power Lead System, Lead Lightning, for 3 years. And it's great. Just to show you, I'll give you, when you get started on here, you take a tour of your system. So you'll get that. There should be like a video that comes up. It'll come up. You can play this video. It's a little over 7 minutes long, and it shows you, it shows you around Lead Lightning, Power Lead System, stuff like that. So just to let you know, it's a great way to get started. Like I said, if you don't have a business and stuff like that, you can, get started here. Lead Lightning, $7. What you got to lose? You know. So anyway, once you get in there, you got to go to this training. I'll show you that. You go to training, click on training area. When you're a gold member, I don't know if this applies to silver, but I've always been a gold member. Check out all that endless free leads system, endless free leads, and then roadmap to riches, the Power VIP, the Master Traffic Academy. They're all ways to level up for, let's say, the Master Traffic Institute, and then the Social Profit Academy and stuff like that. So just to let you know that. So you click on the training area, and you're going to have to create a username and a password here. So just remember that. People just write down your username, your password name if you want to be different. So then anything else you use currently with something else. Just I'll let you do that. Or make it simple. Create the same username as you do with your Gmail, Yahoo, whatever it is that you use. I prefer Gmail because so it don't get bounced to your spam folder or stuff like that, or does get bounced. I mean, emails can get bounced around from Power Lead systems, stuff like that. So people, if you don't have a Gmail account, get one. So anyway, once you create your username and password, you click the login. So once you get started in here, you want to go to watch this video. Okay. And also, when you get done with all that stuff, like I said, if you're in here for the free lead system, just remember not everything will be applicable to you, be available for you. You will find some great training. For folks who I don't know, they have a Wednesday, Thursday night training. It is, I believe it's 7 p.m. Pacific or Central Time or something like that. And it's like 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time here in the U.S. So I just thought I'd let you know that. We are available to in Lead Lightning and Power Lead System a lot of countries, lots of countries. So just thought I'd put that out there. So anyway, you have a system marketing. You have system video, and you have marketing here. The schedule shows up what time, and you have to figure out your time zone, stuff like that, when this happens. So remember, I said Wednesday nights here in the U.S. and Thursday nights here, same time. So just I'll let you know. And I had a replays here in case of you're asleep or you're at work or whatever it is has you and stuff like that. So I want you guys to check out the daily tip here and then the system video, how everything works and so forth. So they have a great way of showing you around stuff. So let me just give you an example here. Okay. So anyway, so for people who are getting started, there is a way. There's an email swipes here and so forth. And I have to show you something back in the other thing that we were just at when we first started here. Some more stuff here. So anyway, so they have some Power Lead system sales funnels there too, which is pretty cool. You click on that, you get like 4. I mean, all this training you gotta watch is really, really valuable to learn all this stuff. Just thought I'd let you know. So you have system videos here that you need to watch to get everything going for you. So all these right here for now, and you'll get all this stuff. Like I said, when you're free system, free lead system, you're not gonna get all this stuff. I believe that you get all this stuff with the Lead Lightning, but I think you're limited on certain things. I mean, I can't really remember exactly, but so I'll let you know that. So we're gonna get back to the other, back into the Lead Lightning Power Lead system when you first come in. Like I was saying, so I'm gonna click back. Didn't really need to, but anyway. To promote this business here or anything else that you're associated with Lead Lightning Power Lead System, online they have something for you. They have a text link, email, swipe copy, banners, articles, press release, video marketing, e-signs, traffic exchange, sync lists, signature files, search engines, virtual postcards, e-cards, personalized videos, is so forth. That's for online only. Now, for people who want to do it offline, you can make personal calls, print ad, newspaper, print music like business cards, postcards, vehicle signature, banners, and more. That's for right here. So just so I'll let you know. They have their own autoresponder. Autoresponder is basically like email marketing, okay? You get somebody signed in your link and they put your email, your name and their email, or even perhaps maybe their name, their email, and their phone number. Especially if you do it online, you get somebody's name and stuff like that. And you get added here, okay? You can do that there. So just I'll let you know. They have their own email campaigns and stuff like that. So if when you build a list and you send it out to your prospects and stuff like that, it comes in handy. You can email these people like that. And so if you want to buy a domain, you could do it here. But I use GoDaddy. It costs me like $2 a year. It depends on what kind of domain you have and stuff like that. So if you have Aweber, GetResponse, you can add that stuff in there. And if you have share codes within PowerLead system, you can go click on that and you get that. And it helps a whole lot, because, you get share codes through certain people in PowerLead system, and you like your funnel sell page and stuff, you can add it there. So I like it a whole lot. So anyway, like I said, you can promote your own business, hangouts, live training, contacts, like I said, emails that bounce, they will pop up here, cell phone notifications. Like I said, training is really good. So remember that, folks. You got to check out the training area, stuff like that, and get started. Again, I got to reemphasize this because a lot of people ask, well, how do I get started? When you click on it, and if you're just a lead lightning, it's going to show you getting started in 3 simple ways. Again, so that's how you get started. For people who want to get started, just message me here, and then give me your email address, and then I'll get you set up. Okay. Facebook's been banning people on sending links and stuff like that through their messenger and all sorts of crap. So that's pretty much it, folks. Right here. For people who are on my YouTube channel, watch this on YouTube. You can get the link there. YouTube has not been banning that stuff, so that's good thing on that part. So anyway, appreciate you guys checking out this video. Have a great day.